Yeah, there you go. There you go. We're learning every day.
Learning every day. Here we go.
All right, guys, we're out here today with
Robbie.
Robbie Hargraves. He is the owner of Solving Skate Shop.
Yes, sir.
And he is helping all of his local community learn how to skateboard. And I have a challenge for you.
All right, let's go. Challenge accepted.
Let's see your board. He said, Aaron, I have a cracked board. Please go easy on me.
Yeah, I know that's not gonna happen.
And I didn't say anything. And then I was thinking in my head, how this guy's known me so long, he thinks he's gonna skate that board. I said a challenge, Robbie.
Oh, that's right. Okay. What kind of boards did you bring with you?
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I have many. I have many to choose from.
I should have known.
But
I
first
don't know why I
challenge,
didn't even think about that.
You look in that direction. I'm gonna
Okay,
grab
all right. I'll look back
board
here.
number 1.
Guys, tell me what he pulls out. I'm just kidding. Don't tell me. It's gonna be a surprise.
Let's see. I actually do have quite a few to choose from. Look at that. But I think it's funny because being a skate shop
Should I
owner,
be scared?
I think we should pull this one from this other skate shop, world's biggest skate shop. Robbie, what's the biggest skate shop in the world?
Zoomies.
He said Zoomies. I think there's one bigger than Zoomies.
Active. No.
Active, he said. He said active.
No, CCS.
Try again.
Oh, skate park at Tampa.
Skate park of Tampa is pretty good, but there's one bigger. It's Costco Wholesale.
What? Oh, Magenta?
No way.
Or Magneto? Yeah,
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Basically, the story behind this is Gabe Cruz texted me and he said, Aaron, I'm in Costco.
No.
And I said, say no more.
Oh, man.
And he said, I will buy this board.
No.
Shut up, Gabe
yeah,
Cruz.
I guess they are the biggest skate shop. They do sell skateboards, and Costco's pretty big.
I mean, the question is,
Are they a skate shop?
leave it in the comments below.
No comment.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we'll just leave that below. But I don't know, do you even call this, what do you call this?
I would say it's a longboard.
Yeah.
It's got an interesting kind of single ski shape to it.
Yeah.
You know? One of these, like, where's the boat?
Yeah, very long.
Yeah. Kind of square tail, pointed nose, looks like a maybe shotgun shell.
Wow.
It's a shotgun longboard.
Yeah.
And it is made out of bamboo, I can tell by the grain on the top.
Yeah, bamboo, nicely done. And I guess this is for cruisers.
Yeah, I could see that with the truck's inverted kingpin.
Just makes me wonder, like somebody at Costco Wholesalers was like, you know what we need? We're not selling enough skateboards.
Maybe you got somebody that works in upper management at Costco to skate from watching one of your videos, and then they're like, you know what, we could do this and we can make one ourselves.
I hope so.
Hey, that would be pretty cool.
Yeah, and the other thing I guess we could say about it is like if somebody was like they'd never been to a skate shop, never ever even thought about it, and they went to Costco and they're like, huh, I should try that. And then they start on this, they learn how to push, and then they go into your skate shop and buy a complete. That could be his thing.
Yeah, I mean, it could totally be a gateway into skateboarding.
Yeah.
Like, hey, I'm trying to do tricks, but I realized that maybe this isn't the best board for tricks.
But you know, we're doing tricks. Give me an ollie, Robbie.
Okay, all right. I think I got an ollie on this. Oh, wow.
100% you got an ollie.
All right.
I love how he's acting like he doesn't got an ollie. That was easy.
Popping the board up is easy too. You don't gotta bend down as far.
Yeah.
Actually, at all.
It is actually almost as big as you.
Are you calling me short?
No?
Oh,
okay.
wow.
That's a nice ollie.
Yeah.
Now that you're getting used to it, you're like, dang, this is good.
Oh, what's next? What's next?
Frontside 180.
Oh.
I think the 180s might be a little tough.
That might be a little tough. Oh, yeah, because that front, I don't know how I'm gonna pivot on there. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta do it fully rotated.
You can pivot that. Come on. Swing that. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's impossible.
I don't. My legs aren't long enough. Let me. Maybe I'll bring my foot up to. That might work.
Try a cheater 180. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
All right. All right.
We're learning every day.
Learning every day. Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take that.
I'm gonna count it.
If we're counting Costco as a skate shop, we're gonna count that 180.
What's next? Don't say
What?
backside 180.
No, we
Okay.
won't do that.
All right.
I was thinking between pop shove it and kickflip. I think pop shove it is possible, question mark. Kickflip for sure.
Yeah, I think either one of those I can do.
Pop shove.
Okay.
Wow. Wow.
That really popped.
Straight in. Let's damage report this.
Oh, chips. 30D lamb. This is not a board I sell at my store.
Yeah, when you get a board at Solvang, this won't happen to you.
No.
Shout out Costco.
Yeah, it came with a warranty, right?
Of course. And it came with the best hot dogs.
Ooh.
Right? Costco hot dog?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Woohoo.
I'm not gonna lie, that was a beautiful pop shove it.
Felt good.
Kickflip.
Okay.
Although this is kind of like the ultimate. What in the geese?
Good thing none of us are wearing white.
That's right.
Oh, I almost had it first try.
First try!
I really wanted to yell that, but then I got wheel bite.
You still can. See, the thing about first try is it's never actually.
That's right.
Oh. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, you're fully shredding this.
I would consider getting this for my own trick board.
Yeah, it's not bad. Wow. Wow. Done with authority. Okay, now to the skate park, two-stair.
Okay, ollie?
Yeah, actually, you know what? We want to do it in a line. Let's ollie up and down.
Okay, I like that. That's gonna be interesting.
I love how we pulled up the Costco board and all the skaters left. They're like, we will have no part of this Costco.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! I did not think I was gonna make it up the Euro, or up the ledge. I thought it was gonna hang up.
Oh, right, because it's so long.
It's a longer board. It's like, I should have gone faster.
I didn't think about that. Well, on that note, I mean, what I really want to see is that, but I think that's like the ultimate ender.
In or out? Or are you talking about the rail?
Up.
Up? Ooh.
How about manual? Anywhere, actually. I was thinking this because it might be small to get
Yeah, that
on.
might be doable. Ollie manual.
But be careful because
yeah.
if you hang on that guy.
It's not a chain reaction ledge, so we'll be all right.
Yeah, true that.
If you know, then you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah.
Okay, that's possible. Gotta land with the right foot placement.
And you got it.
Yeah, right here. Right, this is what they do?
Yeah, this is what they do. This is what the kids do. Yeah.
It's kind of tricky if you land with your foot placement wrong, because you think like on my board I can like lean and get the board to respond.
Yeah.
On this one, it's really not responding to weight.
Right.
So
30-foot long big boat. This is the Cadillac of skateboarding.
all right, I tapped, but it's there. I feel it.
This is quite the challenge.
It's a little bit challenging. I think the speed is the hardest part, but then the ones on the outside where I could get more speed are longer.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna, this is the one.
Yeah! 100%.
There's no way for my tail not to touch.
No, that fully counts.
Yeah, cool.
50-50.
Ooh.
Anywhere.
Anywhere?
Choose wisely.
That little curve?
Yeah, sure.
No, I ollied up this ledge, so I could at least ollie that high. Let's
Completely.
50 on that ledge, yeah. I don't want to make it too easy for myself.
Yeah, what the kind of challenge is this?
That's an interesting one.
Yeah!
Front feeble?
Yep, front feeble. First
What?
try.
Yeah. All right, let's get the 50 though.
Yeah, you got it.
It's a little challenging here.
Yeah.
All right.
Well done.
Woohoo!
Okay, board slide.
Okay, I was like, on what? These handrails. I
Yeah,
didn't
not
even
these
see that one.
handrails. This rail has been seen better days.
Yeah.
Although I really like this
I'm
rail.
gonna check the slide.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Perfection.
All right. This one, I'm going for first try.
I'm kind of scared to stand right here. I should be warned.
Oh!
How did I know that was gonna happen?
I don't know.
It seems buttery and then it's not.
Yeah. Well, oh, I scratched the graphic.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Did I hear a little snap in there? A little crackle?
It sounded like it.
Just a tiny little board slide sounded like a
It's-
little...
Yeah.
No damage report though.
Okay.
But you know what we actually need is the front lip test.
Front lip.
You think you can? No.
I don't know.
I think you should ollie it first.
Yeah.
You think,
all right.
do you think that's possible though at all?
I think that's possible. That's honestly, I would rather try and ollie up that than try to front lip on the rail.
Not both.
Not both.
I think that's so funny. You know what the front lip test means, right?
No.
Front lip test, you know? The front lip test is how we break every board. Like, yeah, we'll give it the old front lip test. See how it front lips.
Oh, because it's
Boom!
so much weight?
Yeah, just straight into it.
I mean, I don't think I could even get up into the front lip because I just think there's not enough. There's too much tail.
Besides, we'd never break a board on purpose. Somebody out there will use this board for good.
Oh, absolutely.
Ollie this gap, though.
All right.
You got it 100%.
I like it. I'm going to have to probably start back here.
Yeah, please.
And make sure I get enough speed. I guess an ollie is not an early grab.
You can early grab any way over it.
I'm going to ollie it. I'm going for the ollie.
He's definitely going far away. He's going for the gusto.
I got to go faster.
I think it's impossible. I think it can never be done. No human in the history of skateboarding could accomplish said feat. Actually, yeah, it's bigger than that. This is bigger than I thought.
This might be the lip slide test, the front lip test.
Oh yeah.
If I only make it halfway, we're gonna go back a lot further this time. Luckily, I got these cruiser board wheels, so I can definitely get some speed.
He's going all the way back.
All right, Aaron, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, we're getting some serious speed.
Are you good?
Yeah, I think I got that. I should have, popped a little better, but maybe a little bit more speed.
Yeah, you got it.
But yeah, that was right there. I thought for sure I was just gonna barely miss the hang up.
Yeah.
But it's still intact. Oh, there is a pressure crack.
Oh yeah. Whoa, so weird. That way. What in the world, Costco wholesale?
Yeah. I didn't even land on the tail for that to do that.
Okay. On that board slide.
Probably.
Yeah! Oh! First try!
Yeah! Woo! I was going so fast, I was like, I'm just gonna go into the other one.
That was well done.
Thanks. Oh, there we go.
Front lip test. Just kidding.
Okay.
Just kidding. No, don't do that. Okay, so what's the overall rating on this bad boy?
You know, I'm gonna give it, and leave it in the comments below if you think I'm a little too high, but I'm gonna give it probably a 6.
Okay.
Because the cruisability is awesome. It's not super durable. I think it might break if I keep doing street tricks on it.
Yeah.
But as far as like a longboard, smooth wheels, turns nicely. I kind of like the shape of it.
Yeah.
So 6 out of 10.
Okay. Yeah, for a longboard to be able to kickflip, do the gap, do the stairs, do a shove it, 180, I'm impressed.
And the board slide.
And the board slide.
I think most longboards you would struggle the board slide.
Yeah, 100%.
So.
And a 50-50.
Yeah, and dude, yeah, forgot about all the tricks I did.
Got one more test, I guess.
Uh-oh. First try!
All right, guys, a huge thanks to Robbie for coming out here.
Absolutely.
If you are in Solvang, go to Solvang Skate Shop and pick up a skateboard. Support your local skate shop. Get out there. Let's go.
Let's go.